and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Spotify history and how to see the songs that you have listened to previously. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. We go and open the Spotify app. And after opening the Spotify app, as you can see in the top right of the screen, there is a little time icon here. You just need to click on it. And as you can see here in recently played, you can find all the songs that you have in your history in your Spotify account. As you can see also, this history is divided by date. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.